If you're looking to sell on Amazon in 2024, follow these simple strategies to kick things off. The first thing you need to do is choose a good category. You don't want to go into anything where you're going to get into a price war and race to the bottom. So this means things like home and kitchen, spatulas, anything that you can easily go to Alibaba and source. Anybody else is going to be able to go to Alibaba and source that exact same thing, and you're going to have to compete against thousands of other people. A really good category that I personally like is supplements and beauty products. A few of the reasons why I like these categories are because they are consumable products, and if somebody likes your product, they're going to refer it to other people as well as buy it over and over. Amazon also offers a subscribe and save option so that people can subscribe to your product and get it every month at a 10% discount. This is going to lead to monthly recurring revenue, which is really important to your business, and it's free acquisition after the first purchase. The second strategy is you must build a brand in 2024. In previous years, you could launch any product you wanted without any branding and it would sell really well on Amazon. But Amazon is putting more importance on brands with large catalogs that people enjoy buying from, with quality products, and they're going to come back to Amazon and purchase from that brand over and over again. When focusing on your branding, it doesn't have to be anything too extreme, but it should have attractive colors and imagery, and everything needs to match. If you're selling a premium priced product, the branding and the images also have to look premium. That goes from your product photography to your copywriting in your listing, as well as any images and videos that you create. The next tactic is using off Amazon traffic to push sales and visitors to Amazon. Amazon rewards brands who do this and push traffic through Facebook and TikTok and Instagram to their Amazon listings. You're going to achieve higher ranking and better PPC results if you have customers visiting from off Amazon and purchasing on the platform. So some simple things you can do are post TikTok videos, run Facebook ads, and Google search term ads. When you send that traffic to Amazon and it converts into a purchase, Amazon is going to reward your listing and rank you higher for those search terms. The fourth strategy never gets talked about, but it's one of my favorite. It's using UGC in your listing. UGC stands for user-generated content. And it's the same concept as retail clothing stores that use mannequins to showcase their outfits. When a customer sees your product being used in real life, they can visualize their self using it. So imagine you're selling a supplement or a beauty product. You should have UGC showcasing somebody dipping the product out or holding the capsules to show the size of it. And this is going to instantly connect with the customer, and they'll envision their self using this product as well. We've spent over $500,000 on Amazon ads this year, and these are the 3 campaigns that I think every single account should run. The first campaign is an auto campaign. This is really basic, but Amazon's algorithm is extremely smart now, and they will show your product listing or search terms and customers that they think have a high relevancy to your product. So when somebody searches, for example, ergonomic spatula for grilling, and Amazon thinks that your product is relevant for that, they're going to show it to that customer. So you can start an auto campaign and let Amazon do all of the work for your product. Amazon is incentivized to show your product to customers that they think are going to purchase it because, one, they make more money from it, from you running the ad, from you selling the product, and then it also provides a good customer experience because somebody went to Amazon and in 5 minutes they found what they were looking for and were able to purchase it. And the second type of campaign I think every ad account should have is what's called a competitor targeting campaign. So you can show your listing on any competitor's listing. Now, you don't want to do this for just any listing. So you don't want to show your listing if you have 500 reviews on a listing that has 10,000 reviews, right? More than likely, you're not gonna get the conversion for that. So what you should do is you should look in the search results for competitors that have worse reviews than you, less reviews than you, and higher prices than you. And then you're gonna show your listing on their listing when somebody clicks on it, and hope that the customer clicks your listing and goes and purchases you because maybe your price is cheaper, your reviews are better than theirs, or you just have more reviews than them. And then the third campaign structure that I think every ad account should have is what we call a single keyword campaign. campaign. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your ad reports, you're gonna download it, you're gonna find which keyword has the most conversions and the lowest ACoS, meaning it's bringing you a lot of sales really efficiently, you're making money on it. You're gonna pull that out of one of those main campaigns, you're gonna put it into its own single keyword campaign. The reason you wanna do this is because you can control the budget and you can control the bid specifically just for this single keyword, which means that you're not gonna waste money on non-converting keywords. So when a big event like Black Friday or Cyber Monday comes around, you can bump up the bids, you can bump up the budget on this single keyword that you know is gonna lead to conversions, and it's gonna increase your rank, it's gonna increase your revenue and your profits. When we audit accounts on Amazon, one of the things we always see brands not doing is utilizing every feature that Amazon offers, even the newest ones. So here are 3 features on Amazon that I think are essential and every Amazon seller should be doing in 2024. The first feature is called brand tailored promotions. So this is where Amazon allows you to retarget customers in different audiences. These audiences are things like cart abandoners, potential customers, and high value customers that have purchased your products multiple times. When you start a brand tailored promotion, you can offer a discount and Amazon is going to send an email. They're going to show it on the product page to that specific person. And these have really high conversion rates because this is what's called a warm audience. They've interacted with your brand before, with your listing before, they're aware of who they are, and you just need to incentivize them to get over the line and purchase your product. So starting brand tailored promotions has crushed it for all of our clients, and you should start them too. The second feature is what's called virtual bundles. So if you have 2 products that you see in your backend customers are purchasing both of at the same time, this is great for a virtual bundle. What that means is Amazon is going to pick and pack those products separately from the Amazon warehouse and ship them to the customer as a bundle. This is good for you because you don't have to physically bundle these together, which takes time and money, and you have to hire a 3PL, a third-party warehouse, to do this for you. So create a virtual bundle. It's going to incentivize higher average order value, and it's also going to take up more real estate on your Amazon listing to push the competitor ads down further. One way to see what you should put together in a virtual bundle is on your Amazon listing below the main images, there's a section that says frequently bought together. A lot of times, 2 of your products are going to be in that section, and naturally, you're going to say, I should make a virtual bundle from those products. And then the third feature that we see a lot of brands don't use is what's called split testing or A/B testing. Now on Amazon, this is called experiments, and what that allows you to do is split test your main image. When you split test your main image, you're testing 2 different versions of your image together to achieve a goal. The goal that I like to select is called click-through rate. It's going to test every day of the week for however long you want the experiment to run, which image converts better, which one gets a higher click-through rate. That means you're going to get more traffic to your listing, which is going to lead to more sales. So if you're not split testing on your Amazon listing, start a split test for your main image to get a higher click-through rate. Here's how you should be using ChatGPT to optimize your ads. So the first step is you're going to go to Campaign Manager in your Amazon account and download your search term reports. This is going to download to a CSV spreadsheet. And then you're going to go to ChatGPT and make sure that you are on ChatGPT version 4. Version 4 has a data analysis plugin. So upload that search term report, CSV, into ChatGPT and then ask it in a natural language. Here are my Amazon ads. How would you optimize them? The more creative you get, the better. So some prompts that I like to use are, these are my Amazon results for last month. Tell me how I can increase sales and reduce wasted ad spend. ChatGPT is really smart and it's going to tell you exactly how to do whatever you ask it. You would be really surprised, and then go to Amazon and implement that. If you want more tips like this, click the subscribe button below and we'll see you on the next video.